Good day and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I've been away for work. I've been back. Work's been crazy. Home life's been crazy. Getting everything back on track. Going through everything. Today I have a few spare minutes after work. I clocked out a little early. Had something I wanted to get done to my truck. I owned that modification for about a year now. Owned the truck basically 2 years, just over 2 years, or a year and a half or something. I'm not exactly sure. It's been a while. But so on and so forth. I didn't film what I did today out of respect for my boss because he didn't want me filming inside the shop. Completely understand, but we are going to go over what I did to my truck today. I mean, it's not a huge difference, but it's noticeable for me, being that I have owned the truck for a while and it's been stock since I owned it. I did 2-inch Motofab front leveling kit. It is actually pretty amazing. The ride is amazing. I'm yet to get it aligned. The guy I wanted to go to wasn't in today, so that's going to be Monday's job. Getting it there, getting it aligned, and getting everything taken care of. Get it aligned before I put my rims on, my rims and tires. Hopefully the tires will fit now. They didn't go well the first time. But on top of that, I'm gonna have to align these. I'm gonna have to re-aim my headlights. So let's jump into what I took care of today. I know you probably can't see it, but at the bottom of the strut there, down in there, there's like a 3/4 inch lift block that goes in the bottom of the strut. Same thing on both sides. What I did is you obviously got to take the tire off. I undid the top upper control arm ball joint and my sway bar link. The instructions were very vague when I got this kit. Don't know where the instructions went over the time of it moving from one spot of the shop to the next, to the garage, to the truck, back and forth all over the place. It got lost. Had my first ride on it today. Rode great. The alignment doesn't even look like it's out, but we are still going to get that in and get that taken care of and get it looked at just in case. You know, it is what it is. It was super easy install. It only took me an hour to do both sides. I know it's snowing out right now, like halfway through February, and it's snowing still. Granted, the first 3 months of winter we didn't get any snow. But I'm going to catch up with you when it gets a little darker. We're going to aim those headlights, and we'll see you then. Alright, so it's been a day or two. I know I've been slacking. It's been real busy with my work schedule and going away for school, for work, and all that fun stuff that comes along with the field I'm in. So in the previous part of this video, you saw that I talked about that I installed my leveling kit. One thing I did wrong installing my leveling kit is I put the bolts up through the bottom and put the nuts on top. That's wrong because I was hitting my my CV axle and they were rubbing. So I had to get those changed around. I got those changed around while I got my alignment. So on my alignments, we'll go over this. I wasn't out very far, as you can see. The top is what it was after I did my alignment, and the bottom is, sorry, the top was after I did my leveling kit, and the bottom was after the alignment. So I was only out a couple degrees, no big deal. They said it wouldn't have worn my tires any farther or any worse than normal, because it was only out a couple degrees, they said. I still wanted to get it aligned. I had to, for my own personal comfort, right? So then I got that done. So my alignment's good. I have not aimed my headlights yet, but we will get into that in another video. Just because I haven't had time, it's been crazy. I've done a few extra things to the truck. So stay tuned for future videos, because they are going to be, well, they're going to be good, because I'm not a professional. I don't do this all the time. This is for fun. I do hope to eventually make it on the YouTube platform and grow with it. But it's a very long and lengthy process to even get the ball rolling. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future videos, and have a great day.